Welcome to this tutorial on finding articles using Onesearch. Onesearch is Kimball Library search engine that allows you to search multiple databases at once, to find books, articles, media, and more. Go to the Kimball Library and Bryan Information Commons website by typing www.coastal.edu/library. To find articles, type your keywords into the search box under the Everything tab, and press Enter or click Search. Please note, if you are on or off campus, you will need to sign in using your Coastal account by clicking the Sign In option under the search fields. Click the drop-down arrow to the right of Search Criteria to expand the Search Criteria section. Here's where you can make changes to your search query using the search filters. Click the drop-down arrow next to any field to select title, author, or subject. You can enter another search term, or you can select the material type or the language type. To further refine your search, scroll down and use the selections to the left. You can refine your search by selecting availability and checkmarking peer-reviewed journals. Source type, and you can check off articles, newspaper articles, and journals. And by publication date. Once you've made your selection, click Apply Filters. And remember to select Remember All Filters. This allows you to lock in your filters so you can change your keywords and you do not have to reselect the filters. To view the full text of the article, click the name of the record. This will take you to the full display of the record. Look in the View Online section for links to the full text. Click on the name of one of the database options. I'm going to select EBSCO Host Education Source Complete. You will be taken directly to the PDF full text, or you'll be taken to the record where you'll have to look for the link to the PDF full text. For additional tutorials, please visit the Kimball Library and Bryan Information Commons homepage or stop by the library to meet and speak with one of our friendly library staff. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.